My name is Munira. I'm from Pakistan. I was part of the Financial Management program, which started in January 2022. My experience at PACE was pretty good. The education, the experiences with the professors gave me a background into what to expect in a Canadian workplace and what a Canadian employer would expect as well. For my current job title, I am working as a compliance, privacy and a risk analyst at Manitoba Blue Cross. And one piece of advice that I would like to give current PACE students is I think you need to do what you need to do throughout the program, right from the start to the end. I was part of a 2-year program, which was pretty strenuous. And I've seen students take it easy towards the end of it, and that's where you lose your way. So I think that would be my main piece of advice.